Today we are going to learn a new chapter from the textbook of Social and Political Life of Social Science, Class 6, Chapter 3. The name of the chapter is What is Government? What is government? Are you familiar with the term government? Yes, we all, isn't it? What is government? Government is the organization which takes decisions and makes laws for the welfare of the people of the country. So what is government? Government is the organization which takes decisions and makes laws for the welfare of its people. What is the meaning of organization? A group of people who work together to meet a need. It is known as organization. What is organization? A group of people who work together to meet a need or to follow collective goals. It is known as organization. So, the government is the organization which takes decisions and makes laws for the welfare of its people. So, there is given some newspaper headlines in the beginning of the chapter. Let us discuss that. First one, government sought to protect rights of unorganized workers. Government sought to protect rights of unorganized workers. So, what is the meaning of that? The government protects the rights of the unorganized workers. The government protects the rights of the unorganized workers. Then, second news headlines. Detailed plan to tackle floods soon, says government. Detailed plan to tackle floods soon, says government. The government tackles floods. What is the meaning of tackles? Efforts to deal with a problem. Efforts to deal with a problem or difficult task. So, the government tackles floods. Then, next one. Government fix price of onions. Says no shortage in market. Government fix price of onions. Onion actually an example of the essential commodity. So, the government fix the price of essential commodities when they are short supply. So, when the essential commodities are in short supply, the government fix its price. Then, Supreme Court can have 5 more judges. Government. Supreme Court can 5 more judges. Government. So, the government appoints judges to High Court and Supreme Courts. The government appoints judges to High Court and Supreme Court. Then, government for revamping coal and power sector. Government for revamping coal and power sector. That means government revamps coal and power sector. Government revamps coal and power sector. What is the meaning of revamps? Make changes in order to improve. Revamp means make changes in order to improve. Then, over 15,000 villages declared scarcity hit by government. Over 15,000 villages declared scarcity hit by the government. Government declares village scarcity hit and provide reliefs. Government declares village scarcity hit and provide reliefs. So, from this we could understand that government doing so many things. So, in this chapter we are going to learn about what is government and what is the role of the government, which are the functions of the government and which are the different types of government. So, which are the things we are going to learn from this chapter? What is government and which are the functions of government, what is the role of the government and difference between different types of government. Now, let us discuss which are the different activities of the government. Which are the different activities of the government. That means role of government in our lives. Role of government in our lives. First of all, government builds roads and schools. Government builds roads and schools. Then next, it reduces the prices of essential commodities. It reduces the prices of essential commodities. Next one, increases the supply of electricity. Increases the supply of electricity through different activities. Then, implements several programs to help the poor. Implements several programs to help the poor. Next one, runs postal and railway services. Runs postal and railway services. Next one, protects the boundaries of the country. Protects the boundaries of the country. Protects the boundaries of the country. The next one, maintains peaceful relations with the other countries. Maintains peaceful relations with other countries, with our neighboring countries. Then provides people enough food and medical facilities. Provides people enough food and medical facilities. For example, PDS, Public Distribution System. For example, Mavil Store, Supplyco, Ration Shop, etc. So through these shops, government provides enough food and medical facilities. Then organizes aids and assistance for the affected people during disasters like tsunami, floods, earthquake, and so on. Organizes aid and assistance. Aid means help. Aid and assistance for the affected people during disasters like tsunami, floods, and earthquake. Then organize court for the redressal of people's grievances. Organizes courts for the redressal. Redressal means remedy, solution. Redress of people's grievances. Grievances means complaints or injustice. So, provide remedy for the people's complaint. Providing remedy for the people's complaints. So, these are the important activities of the government. So, these are the important activities of the government. So, besides this, government provide drinking water to give employment to the people, and it arrange for housing facilities to the poor, and there are so many activities are doing the government. So role of government in our life is very important. So these are the different activities of the government. These are the different activities of the government. Now let us discuss which are the levels of government. Which are the different levels of government. So the government is responsible so many different things. Already we studied that different activities of the government. So the government is responsible for so many different things. How it manage to do all these things? How it manage all these different activities? Through different levels of the government. So the government manage all these activities through different levels of the government. Which are the different levels of government? And the government works at different levels. First one at the local level, and the level of the state, and at the national level. So the local level means village, town, and cities. And state level means entire state, state government, Kerala state, Tamil Nadu state, like so on. Then next one is the central level or national level, entire country. So there are mainly 3 levels of the government: the local level, state level, and the national level. Local level, state level, and the national level. And some other levels of government also there, district level and so on. Mainly there are 3 levels of the government: local level, state level, and national level. Then, which are the examples of the institutions of the government? Which are the major examples of the institutions of the government? Some of the institutions of the government are Railways, Supreme Court of India, Bharat Petroleum, Steel Authority of India, National Highways Authority of India, and all these are the part of the government. All these institutions are the part of the government. Which are the part of the government? The Railways, Supreme Court of India, Bharat Petroleum, Steel Authority of India, National Highways Authority of India, and all these institutions are the part of the government. Then, how can a government function? How a government function? First of all, the government makes laws. The government makes laws for the welfare of the people of that country. The government makes laws. Then, next one, it has also the power to make decisions. It has also the power to make decisions. Then next one, it also has the power to enforce these decisions. Enforce these decisions. So first of all, it makes laws, then it make decisions, and it enforce these decisions upon the people. Then the citizens of the country have to follow these laws. The government makes laws. The citizens of that country have to follow these laws. For example, there is a law that says that all persons driving a motor vehicle must have a license. For example, if the government makes the law, means the citizen of that country have to follow the laws. For example, there is a law that says that all persons driving a motor vehicle must have a license. Any person catch driving a vehicle without a license can either be jailed or fined a large sum of money. They need to give fine. Then, which are the important functions of a government? Making laws, enforcing or enacting laws, and protecting laws. Which are the three important functions of a government? Making laws, enacting laws, and protecting laws through the courts. Then, protecting laws means laws protecting through the courts, through the High Court, District Court, and then Supreme Court, etc. So many different levels of courts also there. Then if a person feels that they were not hired for a job because of their religion or caste, he or she may approach the court and claim that the law is not being followed. If any law is not applying or not suitable for the persons, the people can approach court. The court can then give orders about what should be done. So the court give orders about what should be done.